So here I am in Hall 1 at the stall of Parley Global Technologies, and I'm with Mahendra Mehta. Nice to meet you, Mahendra.
Same here, Rahul.
You are the CEO of the company.
Yes.
And it's a pleasure. Thank you for taking the time to talk to us.
Same here.
Now, this is an interesting point. I believe that you personally were involved in the committee that set up this show in the first place. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, Pharma Pro and Pack was a brainchild of our association.
Yeah.
We wanted a show of the association which can give a platform to all our members to showcase what new innovation, new technologies they are capable of. So Pharma Pro and Pack was a show which was launched in Mumbai.
Right.
Then we brought to Hyderabad, and with Messe Munchen, we are so happy to see the show growing this year.
Yeah. And you have a great stall here with a lot of equipment. So tell me, you come here, tell me about your business and what it is that you do. What are the benefits that you bring to the pharma industry as a whole?
Okay. Parley Global Technologies, we are a 50-year-old company, and we are a one-roof solution for the pharma, food, and now diversifying into cosmetic. In pharma, there are a lot of processes, right from granulation to packaging.
Right.
You have a tablet, you have capsules, you have ointments. So Parley tries to work with like-minded companies with the technology to bring to our country, India.
Okay.
So we have joint ventures with companies like Elizabeth from US, Froint from Japan, Lipac from Korea. We also work on a licensing agreement where we bring the technology from those manufacturers to India and we manufacture for them.
Right.
As well as we have our own design team and our own product line.
Okay.
So we have products right from granulation, tableting, encapsulation, soft gelatin, packaging, which you could see on display over here.
Right.
And every year we try to bring some new product, new technology which can be shown to the market where the production efficiencies can be improved at a low cost. India is known to be a pharma hub.
Yes.
And we wish to support our industry with a good engineering product where they can make a product which can be exported to the world with pride.
So India is obviously known as the hub, global hub for generic drugs. So does what Parley bring to the table help add value to the entire process chain?
Yeah, there was a time where the Indian pharma industry was like dependent on imports.
Yes.
And with the time over years, like what we have seen with the development with not just Parley but even the other manufacturers in India, we all could grow a technology and product which helps the development for our industry.
Right.
So the customers, the pharma industry, they do work closely with us, and we do make some products which has been innovative products for the first time in the world.
Oh, okay.
Like it was not that somebody wanted a product, as you say, like necessity is the mother of all invention.
Correct.
So the industry used to come up with some challenge, some request, and then we used to sit together, try to see if something can be developed.
Right.
And we are happy we could do some successful projects like that.
Okay, so now that you mentioned that you guys have actually innovated and you spend money in research and development and obviously technical innovation, is there anything here that you have which is something which you can talk to me about and explain how that's different to what may be available currently in the market?
Yeah, I would like to show something about a capsule filling machine.
Yeah.
These are some new product developments. There used to be only few players in capsule filling manufacturing.
Right.
This is another product that we developed.
Okay.
You could see a small R&D machine for a capsule filling.
This one here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now,
so what would be the capacity of this? Does it, to an untrained person like
more
myself?
than the capacity. I would say what all capabilities this machine has.
Better word.
So in a capsule, you fill powder, you fill pellet, you fill now liquid.
Yes.
So you wanted a machine, the industry wanted a machine as an R&D when they can try different products and different filling combination.
Right.
So this machine was developed with that thing in mind.
Okay.
So we can now fill powder, pellet, tablet, liquid, everything on the same machine. So the flexibility for a pharma industry is now improved to develop something in capsule which was never ever thought of in the past.
So a lot of your products or the solutions rather that you offer, does it rely on automation? Do things like AI and machine learning all come into it?
See, today any machine is no more a mechanical machine. It's all, you have to bring the automation part to it, and being a pharma industry, validation plays a very important role.
Right.
So all your machine has to be in a way where it can be validated and be proved consistently time and again to be producing the same product even after 10 years. I can't say that, okay, like an automobile car, you can
Yes.
have say that, okay, when the car was new and when the car is old,
Yeah.
it will run at certain efficiency.
Yeah.
It cannot be done in a pharma machine.
Right.
If it doesn't work to the same efficiency or validation, they have no option but to scrap it.
And just again, for me and my general knowledge, so to speak, do you guys have to follow, like for example, FDA regulations or the EU equivalent? Because while you may not be actually creating the formulation, you're creating the packaging into which the formulation goes. Does that come into it as well?
Of course,
Yeah.
all our machine design has to follow the FDA regulations, not for us while manufacturing, but
Yeah.
when we supply our equipment to the pharma industry,
Right.
they have to comply with that.
Okay.
So all the things while design, we have to take care that they get it certified very easily.
Right. Okay.
So, and we have been exporting to around 90 countries.
Oh,
So
wonderful.
again, it's just not the Indian pharma
Yeah.
who is looking at this thing, but all global market looking at our product.
Yeah.
So it has to be across.
So globally, what's your largest market?
US, we are got a partner, Elizabeth, so
Yeah.
with whom we work,
Right.
and they have been distributing our products which are made in India.
Okay.
So US is one of the largest market for us again, and we are selling in the Middle East. Even now, we have a good presence in the African market.
Oh.
And I would say we are among the few companies who have exported to China.
Oh.
Like generally we
That's-
have been
that's the
importing
reverse.
from, but we have been exporting to China.
Yes. Yeah.
So I think pharma machinery from India has now got a very well accepted market
Right.
globally, and we have been selling it to around 90 countries, as I said.
Right. Well, Mr. Mehta, thank you so much. I
Same.
really appreciate it. It's been really enlightening, at least for me,
Okay.
somebody who's not from the pharma industry. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you
And
very
I
much.
wish you all the very best for the rest of the show.
Thank you so much.